business.
Right.
So business development people will have to look forward to develop the opportunity for the growth of the business.
Right.
Second thing is building a relationship or long-lasting relationship with other organizations. That will only give the business growth.
Exactly.
So these are the two key factors I would say for the business development. Selling is kind of a one-time sell, and you may disappear.
Right.
But that will not give you the growth. Whereas business development is building the relationship with them.
Right.
So understanding their need, finding out which are the needs which is not been, I would say, satisfied yet, and how we can satisfy it. So basically it is more of giving the solution.
Yes.
So they have to be solution oriented.
They have to be. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So they have to, rather than talking, salesman talks.
Yes.
The business development will have to listen.
Yes.
And understand what is the pain area.
Yeah.
Of your customer.
Yeah.
And then how you can support them.
Yeah.
To solve that. Yeah. And that will give you the long-lasting business relationship.
Exactly.
And that same customer will keep buying from you regularly.
Exactly.
Another thing is they have to business development, again, new development opportunities. So you have to find out which are the areas where still my product or my service hasn't been sold, but it can serve the purpose.
Right.
So then they have to start working on that, finding out how they can promote it as a solution rather than just selling pitch.
Exactly. Exactly.
Similarly, geographical area where you are not present, how you can be present.
Yes.
Using maybe your own offices or your own people, or maybe tie-ups.
Right.
So you can work out the partners, find out the partners, and you can tie up and expand your business. Exactly. So basically, the digital marketing and business development, these are the two skills which is going to have a very good, bright future, I would say, and the need of the hour for the industries.
Exactly.